Good morning. Today is the day. So excited. I'm going to go and get my fridge put back in the van, which means I can then go shopping to restock it, which I've not been able to do for, as you know, a couple of weeks now, if not longer. Anyone can remind me? I think maybe 2-3 weeks. It's really windy here. It's been blowing a hoolie all night. It's kept me awake. So I've been up since silly o'clock, which for those of you who don't know, silly o'clock is any time before 6. Yeah, there was a few vans here with me, but they seem to have left before I got out of bed. So they must have gone in the night sometime. I didn't hear them, but it was raining quite hard as well. So that was bouncing off the roof. It sounded terrible inside the van. So it's not surprised that I've not slept. So the realities of van life, guys, this is the real life, not the sugar-coated one that you see in all the big channels. I mean, I'd love to go abroad and film abroad in Morocco and Turkey and Spain, but you know, you need funds for that. And without massive subscribers and a massive following, that's not going to happen. So this is the reality of van life in the UK. Anyway, I will see you in a little while. Right, okay. So we're off to get my fridge fixed. Oh, fitted. The river's blown, I can't see out of it. Just about see the curb, that's all I can see. Crikey. Just fixed my mirror. That's not bad at all, donkey. Not bad at all. Okay, we're off. Lie down, Harry. Lie down. I like stuff out of the window when I'm driving, which I don't mind, but the law says that they have to be strapped in now, don't they? When they lie down, it's like they're strapped in. They're on the opposite side of me, so you know, if anything did happen, if it did crash, then they would go into my back. So we're pretty safe. Let's see if I can remember the way there.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named, while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance.
and broken burner
Yes, we
with
knew
with
that.
a deformed jet at the end. So if you look very carefully down the end,
Okay, let's have a look. Yep.
so that was obviously a poor gas supply. The main control switch wasn't sending,
Right.
so
That's why the electric wasn't
the
working.
electric wasn't working. Your 240 element
Was gone.
was gone.
Right. So a lot wrong with it then.
So you had a new element which is there, tidied up all the wiring. The chimney is fragile, so that's why we sort of wrapped it in heat tape just to hold it together.
Okay.
And underneath there, it's basically a brand new version of that.
Right, got you.
So, like I said, we got it down to like -20 in the freezer, and about 0 in the fridge
Oh, brilliant.
after about 7 or 8 hours.
Okay, well it'll be on all the time, so
So yeah, so they're probably going to do that. They'll pop it back in, and then
get it going.
get it going and leave it on test and see what happens.
Okay,
So
brilliant.
that's where we're at.
Yes.
All right.
Excellent.
That makes sense.
Yes.
Yeah.
So there you are. He didn't want to be on camera, which is fine. So that's why I've not filmed him. But you get the gist of what happened with the fridge and how fiddly it was for him to fix. He's going to put it in now, so I've got to go for a walk. I'm going to go to the cafe, set the dogs, and then I'll come back and see you later. And that's where she's going to go, back in there. Well, I've got my fridge back. I don't believe it. Amazing. And it's cold. It's cold. It works on the electric. And it works on the gas. All I've got to do now is go and get me shopping and be cooking on gas, literally. Excellent. See you later. I've just been shopping to Tesco's and I've bought food to put in my fridge. The all-important cream for my coffee. Real butter, none of this margarine rubbish. It's so bad for your body. This is salad. Oh, got to have a nice dessert, haven't you? I like my jellies with cream on and maybe a bit of strawberries in there as well. Mayonnaise, only Heinz, the best one. It's the finest. Chicken to go in some wraps. I've got some low carb wraps because you know I eat low carb food. Got to look after your body, everybody. Processed food is so bad for you. I'll do a conversation about that one day. Nice block of cheese, not my favourite, but I'm in Tesco's, they don't sell it my favourite in there. When I bought some little bowls to have my jellies in, and hopefully it'll stay cold. Yay! See you in a bit. Oh, I'm not sure if I told you or if I showed you, but remember I mentioned something about the paper in my kitchen being too dark in one of my last videos, and I didn't quite like it. It was darker than I was hoping. I bought some lighter stuff, but I couldn't find it to change it. Anyway, I found it the other day when I was rooting around for something else, which is usually the case, isn't it? What do you think? I think it looks lovely. Much lighter. It's made it much brighter in here now. So I've got a bit left, which I'm going to do the front of my fridge with, because it doesn't match now and it looks a mess that now. It's a bit old. So I'm going to stick that on there and I'll show you that in a bit. I bought some self-sticky stuff from Temu. It was only about $6.99 for the roll, and it's done the whole thing, which is great, isn't it? Great value. Come on. This is probably where he'll lose his ball because the grass is quite long. So let's keep my eye on it. Oh, Seren's gone. Oh, there's a gazelle. What are you doing? Where's your ball, young man? What are you eating? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? You done with it? Good boy. Is it there? Get it then. Is it there? Oh, he's clever. This way. Sarah, where's your ball, baby? Where's your ball? Find it. Where's your ball? Find it. Find it. Where did you drop it? Go find it. Where's your ball, baby? Where's your ball, Sarah? Where's your ball, baby? Where's your ball? Where's your ball gone? Where is it? Where is it? I don't have it, darling. Where's your ball? Find it. Don't say you've lost it. Out of the two of you, I wouldn't expect you to have lost your ball. Where's your ball gone? Where is it? You dropped it. Where did you drop it, baby? Where's your ball? Oh dear, where's your ball, Seren? Stop eating. Well, of the two of them, I didn't expect her to lose her ball. She's the one that carries it around in her mouth constantly and won't let go of it. But she seems to have lost it, so it looks like they're stuck with one ball now. Hey ho. Harry, where's your ball gone? Ariane, where's your ball? Get your ball. Where is it? Find it. Find your ball. Find your ball. Look at that beautiful view in the background there. Find your ball, Harry. That'd be typical if they've both lost the balls in one walk. But that's me not concentrating, isn't it? Talking to you. Oh, what a beautiful view that is. Oh. I love Wales. It's stunning here. I've been to Wigan, staying around Wigan, which isn't the best because obviously it's a built-up area, but there's some nice places there as well. But the park-ups seem to be better to find here, easier to find here, and the roads are not quite so busy. Still busy, but not quite as bad as they are in Wigan. But anyway, that's enough waffling. This is the dog walk path. Yeah, Home Bargains. So a handy little place to stay really if you've got dogs and you're mobile, living in a van. Only one night though, wouldn't overstay because they'll soon start putting barriers up and restrictions up if we all start hoarding down here. Anyway, I'm not going to tell you where it is. If you know, you know. Find your ball? Is it there? Good boy! I knew you'd find it. He's clever. What a clever boy! Yours is gone, Sarah. I don't know what you've done with yours, baby. say she's not too bad at all, does she? My beautiful baby. Oh, you've got it. Have you pinched it, you cheeky monkey? That's not your ball, is it? She says it is now. Come on then. Go. Come on. Bloody lush. Anyway, so I think that's enough for this vlog. I'll say to you now, be bold, be brave, and be free. Best life. Bye for now. See you in the next one.